Huawei is about to go absolutely crazy with its next flagship. I mean, 200 megapixels on a periscope lens? This isn't just a camera upgrade, it's a declaration of war in the smartphone photography game. So guys, new leaks are heating up on Weibo, and they're pointing to something big. Basically, leaks are pointing that Huawei's testing a 200 megapixel periscope telephoto sensor. And no, this isn't just for show. We're talking about a lens that could completely destroy the zoom game. From 3x to 10x optical zoom with crystal clear clarity, this thing might just make your DSLR feel outdated. Now, don't expect this beast sensor on the Pura 80 that's launching in June. It's probably still in testing, but the Mate 80 Ultra, oh yeah, that could be the one. Huawei might be saving the big guns for that model. And when I say big, I mean next level massive. And here's the spicy part. It's not just about the megapixels. A 200 megapixel periscope means Huawei's planning something that no one else is doing. Yeah, Xiaomi and Vivo have their 200 megapixel sensors too, but this isn't about copying trends. This is Huawei coming back with fire, rewriting the rulebook after years of playing under pressure. Anyway, now let's talk about the design of the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra, because that got leaked too. Someone managed to snap a live image of what looks like the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra in the wild, and what we're seeing is insane. The phone is covered in a rugged test case, clearly trying to hide secrets, but it fails. That rear camera module? It's huge. Still triangular, yeah, but now with crooked corners and extra attitude. It's bold, bulky, and honestly, kinda scary. That bump looks like it's covering half the back panel. You don't do that unless you're hiding something powerful inside. Word is, Huawei's reworking the periscope lens from the ground up, changing its entire internal structure for better light handling, sharper zoom, and wild portrait capabilities. And let's not forget, Huawei already smashed expectations last year with the Pura 70 series, crossing 11 million units, and this year, they're aiming even higher. The Pura 80 Ultra is gunning for that crown, and with this new camera tech, they just might take it. So yeah, buckle up, Huawei's not just back, they're coming with heavy artillery. If this 200 megapixel periscope makes it to reality, it's game over for everyone else in the zoom race. The king of smartphone cameras might be ready to take its throne back. Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll keep you posted guys in the next one. Peace out.